Everyone, this is Emerson's new puppy that she got for Christmas. So Kuda, what are you, about 10 weeks old now? Yes, she's an Australian Shepherd mix, and she was the only one in the litter with this fancy coloring. So but she's doing pretty good. We'll see how this goes. We're gonna do a quick little shop video, update everybody on stuff going on here. What? We're gonna talk about it, okay? You're all good. So Matt's 79 Trans Am. This blue 79 is actually coming along really good. We actually just finally got it out, got it running around the parking lot here this last week. It's gonna be going down for an exhaust, a line, tune, and getting everything kind of wrapped up on it. So super, super close with this car. It should be going pretty well. It's looking absolutely beautiful. A lot of good pictures, video, and stuff online. We'll get a lot more stuff for everybody to see Matt's excellent car. Yeah, I know. She says there's all kinds of fun stuff down here. Kuda, we're doing this is a 77 Trans Am Pro Touring build that we're doing. So this is good. It's got a 572 crate motor that's going in a 77 Special Edition Trans Am. Gonna have a 6-speed T56 manual transmission with full ride tech, upgraded 4-link front, upper, and lower control arms. Everything's getting replaced, updated, vintage air, and it's black on black, special edition T-top car that will be available for sale. This is the rear axle that's going in that Pro Touring build, so everybody can see it. It's a narrowed Curie 4.9-inch rear axle, 373 gears. This is Seth's 77 Special Edition car, almost an identical build to the other one that we are doing. This car is going to Texas. This has a 572 brand new GM crate motor. It's an LS3 525 with the Holley fuel injection, custom intake setup on top for the throttle body so we can put the shaker on it. This car has an automatic overdrive in it, and it'll have updated gauges, hooked up the factory air conditioning and stuff on it, and just finishing up wiring and should have it running here pretty soon. We've got this Brewster Green 73 4-speed car, one of Patrick's last cars that we currently have here right now that we're trying to just get some final things done. His new custom rear console just came in today that we're going to test in the car, make sure everything's good, and this thing needs to go down to exhaust, a line, tune, and just get some of the final things done on it. Kuda's tail's wagging. She likes to see you come around. We got Mike's 79 10th anniversary 4-speed car. We did a complete paint job on this car. Ryan just finished getting it all wet sanded, polished, full decals, and the car is looking really good. This was a low mileage car that we decided to give it a complete repaint, and it's coming along really good. Right next to it we have Chris's 73 Trans Am that we put a Formula hood on it. It's going to have all the Trans Am spoilers. We did put a set of 72 grills in the front end, and our custom 3-piece honeycomb wheels all the way around on this car. I think we're waiting on a few components to come in so we can work on getting the interior done and try and have this car ready in the spring for Chris. Over here in the middle we've got blue 4-speed, it's a blue 70 Ram Air Formula that we just got done painting. We're gonna get things cleaned up and get it put back together. We're redying some of the interior components, and we'll have it for sale here pretty soon. Car next to it is one of our Pro Touring builds. This is a 73 black. It'll have red deluxe leather interior. It's got the Blueprint engine in it, 7-liter, 625 horse with a 6-speed manual tranny. It's got Detroit Speed upper and lower control arms with a rear Detroit Speed 4-link in this car as well. Somebody's getting a little antsy. Should we let her down for a second? Okay. What'd you think? Huh? Okay, we gotta go finish in the body shop, okay? It's gonna get noisy over there. Okay, let's walk this way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go in the body shop and see what's going on in here. This is another Pro Touring build that we're doing for a client out of Pennsylvania. We're gonna make it Brewster Green, mini tub, 4-link. We did all the sheet metal work. It's basically getting ready for the bodywork phase now. It's a customer's 73 white Trans Am that we're doing for a client out of California. Had to strip it down a little bit further than what we were hoping, but now it's going through some of the final phases so we can get it ready to get primed. We got our client's Impala. Jake's working on doing some final fitting on some of the panels so we can get it ready to get it into paint super soon. Fitting all the moldings up now.
Yep, getting fit.
Finalize bumpers and
need to make a little adjustment to a body line, so
nice.
Getting that done. Should be painted probably
Good.
a month.
That's good. Did you say hi to Kuda?
I've never met Kuda.
This is Emerson's puppy.
Beauty.
All she wants to do is get down and roam. All right, we have another 10th anniversary customer's car out of Iowa. We just got done doing some metal work on it. It's a 1-owner car, automatic. We did a bunch of tuning, got it all running and driving really good this last summer, and then just kind of put it on hold until first of the year so we could start on the body and paint. But should have this thing in primer here pretty soon, and then we'll continue on with the bodywork phase, getting all the panels ready. In her eyes, she got 2 colored eyes. Yeah. The car in the paint booth is our 77 Pro Touring Special Edition Bandit build that we are doing. So original Special Edition car, a factory 4-speed car. We are putting a 6-speed manual tranny with a 525 horsepower LS3 fuel injected motor in it with all modern leather interior, and it'll be super nice. Oh. Come on, come on. I'm on Josh's side of the shop right now. We just got in this frame off restored 19,000 original mile 2-owner car. It's a 71 455 HO automatic AC car that is super nice. We just got a handful of things that we're going to be doing to it before we get it ready for people to see, and it'll be for sale. Next to it we have a 70 Ram Air 3 automatic AC power window with the bright blue deluxe interior car. It's got, I think, 80-some thousand original miles, and it was a Southern car all of its life. Was born in Florida, spent its whole life down in the Florida, South Carolina, Georgia area. It's a really nice car, runs and drives great. Original JW wheels. It's original factory red oxide that's extremely clean underneath, rust-free, super solid car. I think it's had 1 repaint. Next to it on the lift is a customer's blue 71 455 HO car that we're just finishing up a frame off restoration, and it is going to Florida as soon as we're done with it. So Josh is just kind of doing the final test driving, check over, making adjustments to the clutch and stuff on it. It is a manual car with air conditioning, a black interior deluxe. Beautiful car. We got some other black Trans Ams that came in that we'll be touching on this next week for you guys on some video shorts. 278 special edition 4-speed cars. Both of them are 1-owner cars, fully documented. 50,000 miles on one and 80,000 miles on the other one. This is a client's 68 RS Camaro. Just finishing up a few odds and ends on it. We got all the detail work done on it. I think Josh is fixing a steering gearbox that's being a little finicky. So we're getting closer on it, and it should be done here hopefully this week. Scotty is working on 74 Trans Am. This was a client's car that they were from Nebraska, lived in Kansas for a while, and then I think they relocated to the East Coast now. So this was a family car that was, I think, handed down, and they started a restoration on it the last couple of years, and we are going to help finish getting it running and driving and making it a nice car that they can enjoy. And then next to it is a black Bandit Trans Am that Scott's doing some engine work on, and we're kind of going over some mechanicals on it and trying to just kind of clean up this car. A couple of the black Trans Ams that we have in here, we will have some good black TAs that will be available for sale for some nice summertime drivers. So don't hesitate to reach out to us and let us know kind of what you're looking for, because we have stuff that's going to be available here soon. And we're working on a lot of different projects, and we can work on your project. We got several cars coming in over the next few weeks that we're going to be helping customers with. So thanks for checking out everything we got going on in the shop. Like, share, tag, Restore a Muscle Car, Instagram, Facebook, on our website. And we have a new update to our parts section on our e-commerce website that you'll want to go check out. It's got some new search capabilities, and hopefully it's a little bit more intuitive for those of you looking for parts. And we have new parts coming out all the time as well. All right, Kuda, let's go get you something to drink.